Speed society, clear the track. Today, we're not talking about street bikes or cruisers. We're diving into the dirt to analyze a machine bred for one thing and one thing only, winning. This is the 2025 Honda CRF450. For decades, this bike has been the benchmark in the motocross world, a weapon trusted by champions. But in the relentless arms race of 450 cubic centimeters motocross, standing still is falling behind. For 2025, Honda's engineers haven't just made tweaks, they've conducted a full-scale assault on the competition. We've ripped this new generation CRF around a prep track, and we're here to break down why the red machine is back, angrier and smarter than ever. The legacy of the 2025 Honda CRF450. The CRF450's legacy is written in championship mud. It's a legacy of relentless innovation, from pioneering Unicam engine technology to constantly refining chassis balance. This bike carries the weight of the number 1 plate, the expectation to be the sharpest tool in the shed. The 2025 model's legacy is one of intelligent evolution. It's not about reinventing the wheel, but about perfecting every single component to work in flawless harmony. It carries the torch for Honda's philosophy of creating a bike that is both brutally fast and deceptively easy to ride, giving mere mortals the tools to ride like gods. Design and aesthetic. The 2025 CRF450 looks like it's doing 60 miles per hour while standing still. The bodywork is sharper, more angular, and more integrated than ever before. Honda has trimmed, tucked, and sculpted every panel to improve rider movement and aerodynamic efficiency. The new Razor bodywork is slimmer between the legs, allowing you to grip the bike with your knees and move forward over the front end with ease. The signature Honda red is more vibrant, and the graphics are bolder, but it's the functional details that stand out, the more compact radiator shrouds, the redesigned airbox intake for better airflow, and the overall lean, hungry posture. This is a purebred race machine, and every line communicates that intent. Engine and performance. At the heart of this beast lies a refined version of the legendary 449 cubic centimeters Unicam 4-stroke engine. For 2025, the focus was on broadening the already explosive power band to make it even more usable. Changes to the piston shape, cylinder head porting, and a new, more aggressive camshaft profile have yielded results that are nothing short of stunning. The power delivery is still an instant, violent hit that will rip your arms out of their sockets, but it's now even more controllable. The bottom end is stronger, pulling you out of corners with authority, and it signs off less abruptly on top, allowing you to hold a gear longer. It's the perfect blend of raw, arm-stretching horsepower and tractable, manageable torque. This engine isn't just fast, it's intelligent fast. Technology and features. The CRF450 is a rolling computer, but all its tech is dedicated to making you faster. The brain is a handlebar-mounted switch that controls 3 selectable engine maps. But the real game changer is the new Honda Select Torque Control, HSTC, an incredibly subtle and effective traction control system that can be toggled on or off. It's not there to save you, it's there to help you put every ounce of power to the ground without overwhelming the rear tire. Combined with launch control for perfect, wheelie-free starts, this electronic suite is a legitimate force multiplier. The hydraulic clutch is buttery smooth and fade-free, and the new, lighter-weight exhaust system helps centralize mass for better handling. Handling and comfort. This is where the 2025 CRF450 makes its biggest leap. The chassis is all new, with a revised aluminum frame that offers a more balanced rigidity. The result is a bike that feels both incredibly planted and unbelievably agile. It soaks up brutal, square-edged hits with a plushness that defies its race-ready intent, yet it remains firm and communicative in high-speed sections and landings. The riding position is more forward-biased, putting you in the attack position naturally. It flicks into ruts with a telepathic neutrality and holds a line with unwavering commitment. This is, without a doubt, the most balanced and confidence-inspiring CRF450 chassis ever created. It doesn't just handle well, it makes you a better handler. Riding experience. Throwing a leg over the 2025 CRF450 is like strapping into a fighter jet. It feels light, tense, and ready to explode. On the track, the experience is pure, unadulterated adrenaline. The engine is an absolute rocket ship, but the broader power band means you spend less time fighting the bike and more time riding it. The HSTC is a wizard on hard-packed, slick corners, allowing you to get on the throttle earlier with confidence. The chassis inspires you to charge harder into bumps and trust the front end in deep, loamy ruts. It's a bike that rewards aggressive riding but doesn't punish small mistakes. It's the perfect partner for a pro and the ultimate teacher for an ambitious amateur. It's not just fast, it's smart fast. Upgrades. As a true race bike, the CRF450 comes ready for battle straight from the crate. However, the aftermarket is vast. Riders will often look to suspension tuning specific to their weight and ability, different handlebar bends, and tire choices. For the ultimate setup, a Yoshimura or Pro Circuit exhaust system can unlock a final bit of top-end power and shave crucial weight. Who is this for? The Honda CRF450 is for the serious motocross racer. It's for the intermediate to professional level rider who lives for the starting gate and the checkered flag. It is not a beginner's bike. Its power and aggressive nature demand respect and skill. It's also the perfect platform for a dedicated amateur looking for every possible advantage to move up in the ranks. This is a tool for winning, plain and simple. Pricing and availability. Positioned at the top of the motocross food chain, the CRF450 commands a premium price that reflects its cutting-edge technology and race-winning potential. It is available now at Honda Powersports dealerships, ready to be prepped for your local track or the national circuit. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda CRF450 is more than an update, it's a statement of dominance. It takes an already legendary platform and elevates it with a smarter, broader power band and a chassis that is nothing short of magical. It's the complete package, brutal power, intelligent electronics, and sublime handling, all wrapped in razor-sharp bodywork. In the hyper-competitive 450 class, the CRF450 doesn't just raise the bar, it is the bar. The king of the track is back, and it's here to collect more trophies. All hail the new king in red.